Well, I tell you what, Ratchet, when you get on that concrete and rebar, man, it makes you get down. It's like a big old cotton picking ground plane, Ratchet. Hey, Ratchet, Charlie Brown says when you get on the concrete and rebar over that water, it's like a big old ground plane. Hello, Ratchet 27 Mobile, Charlie Brown Mobile, Nashville, getting on down.
Definitely hung in there and you cleaned them up. Hey, Forrest Gump, keep doing what you're doing and I won't repeat nothing about the cartoon characters. Forrest Gump, 27, diesel wagon, trying to tell it how it is.
Hey, Ratchet, I'm in a cotton picking mobile, man. I ain't on no 10,000 watt plastic base station. Hey, Ratchet, I'm out here in a 1x4 mobile parked on top of a bridge, man. I'm not out there running no 10,000 watt plastic BMT station. Ratchet, Ratchet, Ratchet 27, Charlie Brown Mobile, back out. Hello, LugNut. I heard you out there, man. I sure did. Hello, LugNut. Charlie Brown Mobile. Back out.
Hey, Charlie Brown, I've been listening to your radio show there going on. You sounded good. Charlie Brown, LugNut, waving from Murfreesboro.
Tim Roger, LugNut. Yeah, I'm down over here on the Niece's Mill Bridge, man. Over here on the Niece's Mill Bridge, sitting on top of the dam. Me and this 1x4 mobile. Me and this 1x4 BMT Alabama plastic radio 5-element killing mobiles. Back out.
Hey, Charlie Brown. We're out here getting off Interstate here on 231 headed to Shelbyville. LugNut, back out.
Tim Roger, LugNut. You sounding good in my mobile, man. Ain't no doubt about it. Hello, LugNut. Why you heading toward Ragheadville? Hey, LugNut, you be careful with them watermelons. Charlie Brown Mobile, waving and stepping.
It ain't no watermelons, it's bread. Embedded up there, Bumblebee. Embedded up there, Bumblebee. Long time no see. Bumblebee, okay. Tell that crazy D to shut it down out there, because LugNut's in the house.
Hey, Roger, on that, I'll roll that 5. I sure will. Hey, Crazy D, if you got a copy on Charlie Brown Mobile, that cotton picking LugNut says shut it down, because he's rolling around, and I'm back out.
We appreciate it. No two ways about it. Take care, man. I got to grab some gears to get ready to drop this load. Bumblebee, okay, diesel wagon said have a good day. Diesel wagon sound like a bunch of bumblebees in there. Well, like a bunch of bumblebees rumbling around my radio. That crazy D, diesel wagon. Oh, LugNut, back out.
Hey, LugNut, I'm fixing to get off this cotton picking bridge over this dam and head back to the house, man. I had to run to Lowe's and get a couple of plastic totes to put some junk in. And I got to stretch this little bitty 1x4 out against a plastic station from Alabama. Hello, LugNut. Charlie Brown waving and stepping, getting on down.
Oh, yeah, Charlie Brown. I'll be rolling back through there here in a little while once I kick this load off and head to the KY. Charlie Brown, I'll put it on you another day, another wave. LugNut said bye, 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 bye.
And I got it all, LugNut. You motor safe. Be careful down there around Shelbyville. LugNut. Holler at me later. I'll probably be back at the house, LugNut. Charlie Brown, gone now.